Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video today, yes sir, today. We got a review, and I don't feel these Vogue Jordan 1s, man. Told you I was gonna get them. I told you I was gonna get my hands on them. I told you I was gonna post them yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to post them yesterday. I caught up and got busy. That's on me, my bad. Also, I'm gonna post the giveaway winners later on today. I promise y'all I ain't forget y'all. That's on me. That's my bad. Brother, let's get to the video. If you did, man, like and subscribe if you're new. We almost at 600 subscribers. Ultimate goals get 1K, man. You know what I'm saying? Giveaways already ended. You know what I'm saying? Ended on Friday. I was supposed to announce my winners on Saturday, which I didn't. That's on me. Like I said, I got busy and everything, but I ain't forget about y'all. Trust me. So if you screenshot it that you subscribe and follow my pages, you enter the giveaway. But if you ain't follow none of them steps in the description, then sorry I tell you, you ain't into the giveaway. So I'm thinking about, should I go live with it or just announce it? I'm trying to think, cause I'm trying to see. So I gotta go to work by hour. So I'm gonna try to see what should I do. I'll figure it out. I'll keep y'all posted on everything. So make sure that you follow me on my shoe page and my main page. Also subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and do that. Without further ado, man, let's get to the video. So these Vogue Jordan 1s, man, these things were super limited. I didn't win no raffles except from Finish Line. That's one of the places I won my raffle from. I didn't win nowhere else but Finish Line. I couldn't win no sizes nowhere. I couldn't find no sizes nowhere. They were super hard to get your hands on, like I said, because they're super limited. I don't know why these things are limited. So if you got a size, hold on to it. That tells you something, because that means, like, shoot, I might go for something down the line, because these things, it was hard to get your hands on for real. I won a size, for real, all honesty. My size better than that. I'm like, what the heck is going on? So, without further ado, man, let's go and get this shoe out. Oh, hit the table. Oh, wee. You know, step back. You know what I'm saying? Come in your Jordan 1 box right there. You can see it. Boom. Jordan Nike. You got your Nike right there. And it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Black Vogue, size 11.5 USD for $170. The price is going up on these ones, man. I wish they go back to $160, but it's all good. So I get the shoe out. And I got on feet coming too, so I ain't forget even about y'all. Trust me, I ain't forget about y'all, man. Bang! The Jordan 1 Vogue Gold joints. A lot of people say they ugly. They ain't like them. Me, I like them a lot. It's just my opinion. I like them a lot. Start the new year right, you know what I'm saying, with the Jordan 1 Vogue Gold. Jordan 1, some Jordans. Jordan brand this year gonna be coming out with some heat. Off rip. And I can't wait. You know what I'm saying? They come with sets of black laces. Of course, can't forget that. Comes with sets of black laces. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna keep the sail laces on here, because the bottom is right here. Give me that sail on the bottom of the outer sole. I like that right there as well. Let me see. Go ahead and get the other shoe out. All right, man. So let's talk about the shoe. So your outer sole, you got the black Nike outer sole. You know what I'm saying? I love black outer soles on Jordan 1s. I love that. On your upper, on the toe, got your white toe. You know what I'm saying? Got good quality leather on there. Of course, right there. Got the black leather as well. White, right here, leather right there as well. On the swoosh, got that black leather swoosh right there as well. Also got that black Air Jordan Wing logo right here on the flap. I love this. I love when they do this on the Jordan 1s too. Give me that off-white vibe, like that as well. Got that neon yellow joint. Love that color on there. Also, right here on the back of the heel, got that gold right back of the heel. Right here on the toe. So what they did is reverse it on the tongue right here. Even though it's not stitched, you know what I'm saying? It ain't stitched, but I accept it. I ain't mad. It ain't stitched, so it's cool. It's like a thick tab, you know what I'm saying? So they reversed it. So usually this would be on the back, but they got the Nike Air, you know what I'm saying, right on the back. So they put this in the front. I like that detail a lot. Right here on the inside, Got your neon Nike Air, and this tongue is like a styrofoam tongue, like that. Like I said, the off-white tongue as well. And also, I ain't gonna tie it with these. I'm gonna let these hang right here right by the lace lock. They got right here on the outside of the laces. On the black, you can flat them as well. Look how you can do with this as well. And also another detail. So on back of here, other heel on top right here, it's like a styrofoam type of, you know what I'm saying, thing going on. They did. I like that a lot as well. This little detail of the shoe is fire. I like it a lot. It definitely get you out of what's in approval. I like this shoe a lot. Like, I really, really do. A lot of people want really feeling this shoe. Comment down below if you want a size, or you like them, or you don't even like them at all. You just like, nah, like you pass on them. So comment down below, let me know how you feel about these, man. Let me know down below. Like I said, man, I like these joints a lot. I like them a lot, really. I really, really do. So definitely shout out to your Finish Line for letting your boy get a raffle, because man, these things was limited. But I heard GS sizes was first come, first serve at Finish Line. I didn't know till I went up there. He was like, yeah. One guy, he said you only had like a size 4 left or something like that. So I was like, whoa, okay. Excuse me, sir. But you know what I'm saying? Damn, the dirt spot. So now I ain't one of the people that be like, nah, as long as I got my shoe, man, I figure out that when I get to the house. So like I said, I picked this shoe up yesterday at Finish Line. I won a raffle. Luckily I won, but these things are super, super limited. That's the cold crazy part. But I really like this colorway. I really, really do. I don't know why a lot of people don't like this colorway. Like, I don't know. But me, I like the shoe. Just look at it. Just look at it from far. Like, I like the shoe. I really, and it's crazy. If I wear like a shirt like this, it will go right with it for real. People say, I don't know what to wear. Like, man, you could wear like something like a graphic tee like this or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Some black or some color like this. There's multiple stuff you could wear with this shoe. So, but anyway, man, I'm gonna get this on feed going. Make sure, like and subscribe if you're new. The road is to get to 1K. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, there's a giveaway going. The goal is to get 1K. You know what I'm saying? The giveaway ended on Friday. I'll announce the winners later on today. So if you did them steps, you are into the giveaway, and you'll find out later on today if you won or not, man. So, not further, let's go get his own feed going. Like and subscribe. Your boy JR1. Be right back. That's cool.
Like Mark kicking you pans out. I'm a 1-2, bring my dance out. Fuck you, here's my chance now. Trust you, then this man down. I just do your plan now. Free my people mind, expand out. Sick and tired of being sick and tired. Illuminati got the worldwide. Illuminati, what I prescribe. This train and and it's time to ride. I'ma do it like it's never been done, motherfucker. Done, motherfucker. It's time to take off. Man time, like it's never been run, motherfucker. Run, motherfucker. Keep up, Taliban. Woo! I'm the bomb, motherfucker. Bomb, motherfucker. I'm Kelly. I'm the one, motherfucker. One, motherfucker. Everything's a lie. You better ride this wave. Through GMO, they won't control your fucking souls. That's safe. You better be worried about that, nigga. Instead of trying to be a little trap, nigga. Get your little ass blown off the map, nigga. In my zone, just stating them facts, nigga. Million black men missing. Nobody talking about that. Even a lot of our women. Where the hell are they at? They dumb us down with nonsense.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. These things clean. It's like, nah, I'm stop playing. But I like them a lot, though. Like I said, they look better with these laces on there. I don't want to do the black. I definitely do the sail joints. I don't like the black laces on these. They won't look too bad, but I feel like they'll look way better sail joints. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know if you want these. You like them, dislike them. Let me know how you feel down below. Let me know. Like I said, I like these a lot. They were super limited, like I said. Super hard to get your hands on. It's gonna get more crazier this year with the releases, because there's so much shoes, so much heat coming out. It's gonna be crazy this year. Jordan Brand knew what they was doing. They knew 2020 was gonna be one of them years. Like, just throw out whatever. It don't matter what color, whatever. Just throw out what color, and then everybody gonna buy them. Me, I ain't get a release. Certain ones I should have grabbed, which I'm going to grab. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. What's our 2021 right? The Vogue Gold joints. Yes, sir. I like these a lot. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know if you like these, man. Also, let me see what else I'm doing. What's all I gotta say? I'm gonna announce my giveaway winners later on today. I don't know if I'm gonna go live or just post on my Instagram. So be on the lookout for that. Also, like and subscribe if you're new. Road to 1K. We almost at 600. That's crazy. Let's get to it. Jarrell is out. Peace. Bye.